the quad lock phone mounting system. Hey everybody, I'm Andrew. This is Touring Midwest. Today we're going to talk quickly about the quad lock phone mounting system. So I've actually tried to shoot this video a couple times and things are not going my way, so hopefully this time it all works out. Anyway, so I've been using this quad lock system. I'm not going to say full-time because I have been using my daily driver or whatever you want to call it, phone mount, the one I use a lot. But I've had this one mounted on my bike for quite some time now, and I've been using it periodically. I've actually had the quad lock case on my phone the whole time, I mean, for several months actually. So I guess let me get the bad out of the way first. Not really a bad things necessarily, just things that I found to be somewhat problematic for me personally. Okay, so first off, the actual phone case is nice. It's low profile, slim, it fits the phone really well, it holds it securely, so I have absolutely no concerns about the phone coming out of the case at all. It's protected my phone just fine. I generally use otter boxes. I've always used OtterBox. I think that OtterBox is probably one of the best insurance investments you can make for your phone. I just automatically pick one up. But when I got this, I switched out of the OtterBox and I've been using this, like I said, for several months, and it's been absolutely fine. No problems whatsoever. So that's good. And as far as the actual mount itself, I feel like that is solid as well. I have no concerns about the phone coming off of that mount. It works just fine. It's kind of a, I don't know what you'd call it, if it's like a nylon or a silicone or what, but it's some sort of like plastic material like that, but it's very strong, very durable, and it doesn't feel like something that's flimsy or something that would break easily. I think that the mount absorbs vibration well, so no issues there. The only other negative thing that I really have to say about it is I find it a little difficult to get onto the mount. It's a twist lock, quad lock kind of situation, so you actually have to twist the phone on to lock it in place. Now, to get the four little prongs lined up just right can be a little bit problematic. I think if you used it all the time, you'd get used to it and you wouldn't have any problem at all. It's just those four little spaces there, get those lined up with these prongs here, and I probably make it look way more difficult than it should be. There we go. So I think if you got the angle just right and you were used to it all the time, it would be no problem. I have no problem actually removing the phone from the mount. That's easy. You just push down on the little lever and give it a twist and it comes right off. So that's no problem. So I guess that's kind of it. I mean, it's a good mount. It does what it's supposed to do. You do have to have an Allen wrench with you to make any adjustments, but if you're just a set it and forget it kind of guy, you can get the phone lined up exactly where you want it, tie in those little screws down, and you're good to go. So that's kind of that. It's a good mount. It is. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a share with your friends. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon. And we'll see you in the next video from Touring Midwest.